Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN D2 Bravo Titanium, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the watch turns off, basically. Once the screen turns off, you can release the button, wait for a couple of seconds, and then turn your watch back on by pressing and holding the light button again. Once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch boots into a system. If you see this, press the start button to confirm. And as you can see, you're in the system, and that's how you soft reset or force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.